bil-qiegħda mill-filliera numru 1 sa 10 se jinżlu l-ewwel segwiti mill-passiġġieri bil-qiegħda mill-filliera numru 11 sa 20 u finalment passiġġieri bil-qiegħda mill-filliera numru 21 sal-aħħar. Nixtieq nfakrukom mill-ġdid biex tibqgħu bil-qiegħda sa meta jmiss il-filliera tas-siġġ tagħhom. Tifsu l-kompartimenti fuq minn raskom u għadu attenti li ma jaqax xejn fuqkom li fuq passiġġieri oħrajn billi xi oġġetti jistgħu jiċċaqalqu matul it-tisiera. Qabel tħallu l-ajruplan għallu ma nsejtu xejn warajkom. Bejbux sakemm tkunu f'xi żona ta' tip. Nisperaw li tsiru xbitkom ma ndimux ma nerġgħu nilqawkom fuq titsiriet oħrajn. Saħħa u grazzi tal-li għażiltu li ttiru mal-Malta. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Rome. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. The disembarkation will be by seat row number. Passengers seated from row 1 to 10 will disembark first, followed by passengers seated in rows 11 to 20, and finally passengers seated in rows 21 for the last row. In order to respect social distancing during the disembarkation, may we again remind you to remain seated until it is your turn. When opening the overhead compartments, take care that no items fall on you or other passengers as
And so guys, let me know what your first experience is like when the plane is about to take off and when it's about to land. For me, the experience was so dramatical, like it was so scary to me. So I had to hold the chair that was in my front because that was my first experience. So I was so scared that I've never been on a plane before and this is my first time. So there's always a first time in everything. So my first experience was so scary. Like I said earlier on, I had to hold the chair that was in my front because the plane was about to take off, and also when the plane was about to land, I had to hold the chair that was in my front. So guys, so let me know what your first experience is like. So this is a flight from Malta to Italy. So it was actually fun. I enjoyed myself and it's something that I will never forget at all. So it's amazing. So let me know what you think about this video, guys.